Hello everyone, I am Professor Amit Vyas, Computer IT Department from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic is three-state bus buffer. So what is the three-state bus buffer? We can show that here one image is a two inputs and one output. So it is called the three-state bus buffer. What is we can show that? This is one digital circuit you can show that here. SON diagrams, we can explain that if the C equal to 1, if 1 is a control input, we can show that will be C. If the C equal to 1, then normal output is given. If you given this any number, then give the output. If the C equal to 0, that time give the output is high impedance state. So the next is the control input is determine the output of the state. When the control input say equal to 1, the output is enabled and the gate is behave like the conventional buffer with the output equal to normal input. When the control input say equal to 0, the output is disabled and the gate is goes to the high impedance state. We can show that if the output is 0, then go to the high impedance state. If say equal to 1, then go to the normal buffer. So we can show the next is this is the some combination of the three-state bus buffer. This is one selective input is S1 and S0. This is one decoder and this buffer is connected for A0, B0, C0 and D0. One common bus line bit. We can show the explanation for the next slide. The control input to buffer determine which of the four normal input will communicate with bus line. We can show that the four normal input is communicate one common bus line system. No more than one buffer may be active state at any given time. So the next is when the enable input of the decoder is 0, all the four output are 0 and the bus is line is go to the high impedance state because of all the four buffer are disabled. We can show the diagram. We can show that here the 4 input is 0, then output is go to 0 and finally goes to the high impedance state. And when the enable input is active, one of the three-state buffer will be active. It's depending on the binary value of the selective input of decoder. So this is the three-state bus buffer. We can show that one short description we can explain it. This is the three-state bus buffer. If the normal input is given, the final output is chaos. When if say equal to 1, then control input say equal to 0, then go to the high impedance state. Here we can show the diagrams. This is the bus line control. All the buffer we can connect to one common bus line. This is the decoder and this is the selective inputs. So thank you all of you.